Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdallah Mohamed and I'm really excited to finally launch this space dedicated to SAP Finance. I've been working as an SAP Finance consultant on multiple projects across different industries, and through this channel I'll be sharing with you practical knowledge, real-world tips and step-by-step tutorials to have both beginners and experienced users get the most out of SAP. This channel is for SAP consultants who want to sharpen their finance skills, newcomers exploring SAP, and businesses looking to better understand financial processes. Here's what you can expect from the upcoming videos: SAP Finance configuration tutorials, real business scenarios, tips on S/4HANA migration, integration with MM, SD, PP, PS and other modules. My goal is to simplify SAP for you, just valuable content from real experience. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming soon. And if you have any questions or topics you'd love me to cover, drop them in the comments. I'll be reading every one of them. Thanks for watching. I'm Abdallah and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into SAP Finance basics. Stay tuned.